How to verify your account on Amazon shopping app. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new video. In today's video, I'll show you guys how can you verify your account on Amazon shopping app. To do it, first thing first, update your application, and on the search box, go to your Play Store and on the search box type in Amazon and check for an update. After the application is completely up to date, click the open button and then log into your account. Once you're logged in, that's going to take you to the home page. Now, in order to verify your Amazon account on the shopping app, you'll likely need to enable two-step verification, which involves receiving a code via a message or an authenticator app in addition to your password. So in order to do it, you want to log in and go to the try bar icon at the bottom right hand side. Then go to your profile from the bottom of the page. Once you go to settings, here you want to click on the gear icon and then you want to go to. So while you're on this page, you want to click on the account from the top of the page, after which you'll be able to see this sort of page. So while you're on this page, you want to go to account settings. Under it, you want to click on login and security. As you go to login and security, you could see all of these information. So you want to scroll down a bit, and at the second last option, you could see two-step verification. Now you want to click on turn on and make sure to enable it. Now it's going to take a couple of seconds. Now for security, they've sent a code. You have to enter in the code that has been sent through the registered email. So you go ahead and open up the email and you could see this is my verification code. So right over here. So I have to go ahead and open it up. Once typing in your verification, click on the submit code option. It's going to take a while in order to load it. So now here you want to go ahead and enter in the code of your country and provide your phone number in order to enable the verification code. So now enter in the phone number and click the continue button. You could also go ahead and use the authenticator app if you want to do it or else you could just continue it from right over here. Once you do it you'll be able to receive a verification code in the SMS and you have to enter it. Follow the prompt and you'll have successfully verified your account on Amazon shopping app. So that's the way you could verify your account on Amazon shopping app. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.